Hey guys, so we are doing an after Christmas sale on my website, and these are going to be like all Christmas and Christmas related squishies that are going to be on at least a 15% off sale. And you guys can find these on my website under the tab after Christmas sale. My website is CharmsLOL.com and will also be linked down below. Yeah, let me just show you guys what's on sale. So the first thing is all of the jumbo penguins. This is the blue with the wink. This is the pink sleeping. This is the pink with the eyes open. I only have 3 of the jumbos left in stock, but we have all of the minis. Here is the pink baby. The blue sleeping. Ooh, that one's so soft. Pink with the eyes open. And the blue with the eyes open. We have some jumbo polar bears. Here's the pink one with the eyes closed. The pink one with the eyes open and the tongue. The blue with the eyes open. And the blue with the tongue. We have the minis. This is the pink one with the tongue. It's so soft and so cute. The pink one with the eyes closed. The blue one with the tongue. And the blue with the eyes open. We also have the Mr. Flippy donut. It's so cute. It's scented like blueberries. And it's super duper squishy. And of course the little Mr. Flippy. He's so cute and so soft. We only have a few of the green Christmas snowies left. We have the 2 Polly Christmas macaroons. This is the silver one. It's like the rainbow one. I'm pretty sure we only have 1 of these Hello Kitty matcha Christmas donuts left. It's super duper soft. We have some of these Christmas cakes. For these ones, we only have 1 of each left, and these are the Eric ones. This is the vanilla one. This one's like my favorite. It's so soft if you watch. It's so soft and so slow rising. It's so amazing. Like, I really recommend that squishy. There's a strawberry one as well. Super duper squishy. Then we also have the Squishy Fun chocolate cake. Really squishy. Lastly, we have the 3 little mini ones. This is the vanilla one. The strawberry one. And the chocolate one. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Again, links to these will be down below. This sale is probably going to last a few days. Not exactly sure yet, but make sure you grab them as soon as you can, because we only have a few of these left. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!